Oh boy, Jack Jack, are you excited to go on the train with Mickey Mouse? Oh yeah, baby. Alright, let's get on the train, here it comes.
All aboard for the Mickey Mouse Express.
Oh boy, this is gonna be so much fun, Jack Jack. Okay, get in. Here, I'll get in first, and then you sit on my lap. Here we go. Whee! Isn't this fun, Jack Jack? Oh, I knew you'd have fun. Isn't this so much fun, Jack Jack? Jack Jack? Uh-oh. Oh no, Jack Jack, what are you doing up there? Could we stop the train? My son is over there. Come here, Jack Jack. Let's get back on the train. Come on. Oops.
Excuse me, but your baby is kind of covering my face. I can't really see where I'm going.
Thank you very much, Mickey. We'll ride your train again sometime.
Please don't.
Alright, bye now. Alright, let's go in. Yay, we're at McDonald's. I'll get one Happy Meal and one Big Mac meal, please. Right away, sir. Jack Jack, isn't this great? Jack Jack? Oh no. Yes, hello? I'd like to order a milkshake and some fries, please. Please pull around. Alright. I thought this was supposed to be fast food. Huh? Jack Jack? Oh no. Hello? Anyone here? Oh honey, thank goodness you're here. Jack Jack. I'll get him. Come here, Jack Jack. Come to mama. Oh, Jack Jack. Where'd he go now? These powers are starting to get on my nerves. You're telling me.
Looks like it's a stop, a checkpoint. They want to check my mail. Here we go, checking the mail. Let's see what's in this package. Pluto! Oh no, Pluto was in my packages. Better get a new one.
Stop right there. We got another checkpoint.
See what's in this package. Oh no! It's those naughty squirrels.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel just for Fun 290. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!